Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Setmore. Setmore is a cloud-based scheduling and booking platform that helps businesses automate their appointment booking process. I've been using Setmore for a few months now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool. It's saved me a lot of time and hassle, and it's made it easier for my clients to book appointments with me. So what does Setmore do? Setmore allows you to create an online booking calendar that your clients can use to book appointments with you. You can set your availability, pricing, and services, and you can also add custom fields to your booking form. Setmore also allows you to send automated booking confirmations and reminders to your clients. You can also track your bookings and generate reports. Setmore is a great tool for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use and it's affordable. How to use Setmore? Now that you know what Setmore is, let's talk about how to use it. First, you need to create a Setmore account. You can do this by going to the Setmore website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you've created an account, you need to set up your profile. This includes your business name, address, phone number, and website. Once you've set up your profile, you need to create your services. This includes the name of the service, the price, and the duration. Once you've created your services, you need to set your availability. This includes your working hours and days, and any holidays or other times when you're unavailable. Once you've set your availability, you can start accepting bookings. You can do this by sharing your booking link with your clients, or by embedding your booking calendar on your website. Setmore features. Setmore has a number of features that make it a great tool for businesses. Here are a few of my favorite features. Online booking. Clients can book appointments with you 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Automated booking confirmations and reminders. Setmore will send automated booking confirmations and reminders to your clients, so they don't forget about their appointments. Customizable booking forms. You can add custom fields to your booking form, such as client name, email address, and phone number. Reporting. Setmore allows you to track your bookings and generate reports, so you can see how your business is doing. Integrations. Setmore integrates with a number of other tools, such as Google Calendar, Zoom, and MailChimp. Pricing. Setmore offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. The most basic plan starts at $19 per month. Setmore is a great tool for businesses that want to automate their appointment booking process. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features. If you're looking for a tool to help you manage your appointments, I highly recommend Setmore. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.